Hello everyone! Now I'm so excited to show you how I make my oil finally. So here we go. So I use a light tasting olive oil just because I don't want to use a regular oil, just because it's a little more heavy and I want to go on the light side. So this olive oil gets rid of dandruff and it prevents hair breakage, adds strength and shine. I'm just gonna add about 1/4 cup of that into a bowl. And then I have grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil does a lot of cool stuff. It works perfect with all weather conditions. I don't know if you guys checked out my other video about that, but it works great with that. And then it revives hair, retains moisture, fights dandruff, and soothes the scalp, which is awesome because we all need that. At least I do, I know. Alright, and next is argan oil. This is SHEA Moisture's brand, and I love this argan oil because it does so many things. It controls frizz, adds shine, and it holds the moisture. That's super, super important. Okay, and in this bottle I actually don't have a lot of oil, but it's actually the amount that I need. But regardless, I always take the cap off. I don't know why, but I just put maybe 1/4 teaspoon in there. Up next is shea oil from SHEA Moisturizer. Again, this softens hair and is rich in vitamin E, which helps to tangle your hair. It also restores moisture, protects radiance and shine, and has very quick absorption because it's lightweight. I wanted to show you guys these little beads that are in here. That's actually just the shea oil. At first I thought it had coconut oil in it, but it actually doesn't. It's just pure shea oil. And with this one, I put about 1/4 teaspoon in there. Get it all in there. Alright, and then next I have the tea tree oil blend from SHEA Moisture. This has a lot of oil in this, y'all, so get ready. It has sunflower seed oil, castor seed oil, sunflower, shea butter, sesame seed oil, and more. And all this does is nourishes the scalp and it fights against dandruff. I put about 10 pumps in there. What is that? Around 1/2 teaspoon? Up next is, I don't know if I'm saying this right, but the Mielle oil. This also has a lot of oil. Your hair is going to be so healthy, y'all. I'm telling you. So this has a lot of oil also. It has jojoba oil, peppermint, tea tree, lavender, grapeseed, sage, and so much more. And this is a plus, has no animal testing. So yay for saving the animals! I think also SHEA Moisture products also don't have animal testing if you are into that. Now for this, I put 3 squeezes in there. And I don't want to forget to mention that this is a dry scalp conditioner, so it can be used on its own. Up next is Jason's Vitamin E. I'm not sure if you say it like that, but it's really nice. It has avocado, almond, and apricot oil, and many more. This is an antioxidant property and repairs damaged hair follicles and promotes blood circulation, and it's also known to protect your hair from the sun and its elements. And I'm putting 3 squirts in there, which is around 2.5 teaspoons. So up next is the avocado oil. It keeps your hair soft, and it is a treatment for dry and brittle hair, and it's ideal for hair with low porosity. So it's not a heavy texture, it's actually a light texture, so it doesn't leave behind a greasy residue. And that's about 1/4 cup. Okay, here's the big secret. Peppermint oil! So this is from Windrose Aromatics. This is only sold where I'm from, which is Idaho. So this peppermint oil is super, super awesome, and it's so concentrated. It's a small bottle. This costs around 20 bucks, but it lasts me like 1/2 year. It's great. Just like 1/4 teaspoon to like 1/2 teaspoon will do. Sometimes I add a little too much on accident, and when I walk past them, they ask me if I smell peppermint. So this is an alternative. It's, I'm gonna butcher this name also, SHEA Peppermint. It's a good alternative. To me, it doesn't smell the best, but I recommend go and buy some peppermint oil. It's not just for smell, it's just really to stimulate those blood cells also. So once I'm done mixing those or putting in those oils in the jar, I mix it up and stir those oils together as one. Your hair is gonna be so healthy, y'all. And then when that's mixed, you just put it in a bottle, whatever works for you. And oh my goodness, that looks so awesome. Ah, so healthy. So that is it, everyone, about my secret oil. Not so much of a secret anymore, but I'm so glad I got to share this with you guys. There's so many people that ask me, hey, how do you make your oil, or how do you make your hair grow? This stuff. So I want to hear from you guys. Did you make this oil? If so, did you use all the ingredients, the different ingredients? Did you just use one oil? I want to know in the comments below and what works for you. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!